I want a divorce, said Caroline. The fidelity, people in my mind. Since I married you 2 years ago, no better, it's worse. I can't take no more. Me see you hang out with the boys on the block. You expect me to believe you? Look at the time, it's 4 a.m. I'm coming home. Which one of them wearing cosmetics with the lipstick on your... Where the hell you been? Before. Where the hell you been? Oh boy. Damn lie. Hickey, Jicky. Hickey, Hickey. Hickey. Damn. Boy, I just see some hot pepper that I get me nose. Get me now.